Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to purchase a product from eBay. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer or any other machine, also an eBay account. So we can now go down to the dock, go to a web browser. We are using Google Chrome in this case. Go to eBay, search within the search box ebay.co.uk, and now make sure you are signed into the account. And now let's make a search. Our company requires Blu Tack. Let's just search for Blu Tack and see what comes up. Press enter. Number 1, 2, let's just click on the third product. We can buy 1, 2, 3, or if we buy 4, we receive an offer. 4 or more will cost us 1 each at £2.51. Click on 4, add to the basket, go to the basket, and now this tells me we will be paying £10 with a discount of £1.80. Go to checkout, and then you are presented with your card details, your address, and the product itself. Let's just confirm and pay, or if we have vouchers, we can add the code, apply, get a further discount. So we know the item itself really costs £11.80. With a discount of multi-buy, we can reduce that to £1.80 less. So we are now paying only £10. Confirm and pay. And so the order was placed. We should now receive the product by Friday the 13th of November. So we can now minimize Chrome. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.